Karibu rafiki, we've been waiting for you. Karibu Kenya, hakuna matata. Twende safari, let's go and explore. 'Cause you're in Kenya, not in a dream. The sun wakes up across the golden plains. Smiles and songs flow through the wilderness. Lions roar and children play. Kenya's spirit lights up the day. Taste the chai, smell the rain. This is real, not a dream. Taste the joy, taste the vibe. This is where you feel alive, oh yeah. Let's climb the trails where the eagles fly and the snow peaks meet the sky. Karibu rafiki, we've been waiting for you. Karibu Kenya, hakuna matata. Twende safari, let's go and dance. 'Cause you're in Kenya, not in a dream. 'Cause you're in Kenya, not in a dream. Calling, come and see. Nairobi nights and Nairobi lights. The city, yes, dreams with open eyes. Matatu culture and graffiti art. Nyumbani means home, and that's where you at. Turn it on to the coast where the palm trees sway. The Swahili drums are